Guys, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in WTC Mall in Espines. I buy something. I pass by here in the pop-in play and indoor playground for small kids. This is the indoor playground for kids. Pop-in place, yeah. Usually the small kids celebrating birthday, most celebrate birthday here. Pop-in play. Uh, anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or a suggestion. Of course, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy Wednesday everyone. Bye. Bye. Good evening. How are you today? Here. We have a nice playground here.